beautiful tribe. I hope everybody's doing all right today. As most of you know, my name's Meiline and I've been in the fashion industry for over 18 years. I also had my own sustainable brand named Dragonfly. And now I also want to share this knowledge with you. And in these next few videos, I thought of taking a closer look at the origins of some incredible artworks we use in textile. This one in particular is one of my favorites. And is one I actually used in my own collection because I am all about the preservation of local art forms. But before we get started with some fun facts and history on it, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share with anyone you think might enjoy or benefit from any of my videos. Today, we are going to talk about batik. Yes, batik. I first learned about it when I lived in Indonesia when I was a kid and grew up to love it even more when we were in Africa. Batik has deep-rooted cultural heritage in Malaysian and Indonesian history, which dates back to over 2,000 years, making it one of the oldest textile traditions in the world. But it has also been practiced for centuries in China, Japan, India, South America, and Europe. It is possible that in each place and time it developed independently, but more likely the craft spread from Asia to the islands of the Malay archipelago and west to the Middle East due to the caravan trading route. The word batik originates from Indonesia and is associated with the Malay word titik, which means dot, and the Javanese word amba, which means to write. Batik is both a verb, to batik, and a noun, a batik, an object made by batiking. Here comes my English tutoring. Batik is usually made on a natural fabric surface, such as cotton, silk, linen, rayon, hemp. But batik techniques can also be used on paper, wood, leather, and even a ceramic surface. Batik is both an art and a craft. And the process is a long and intricate one, involving a mixture of wax, dye, cloth, well, for the most part, and the results are always gorgeous. Batik has found its way into many homes, closets, and art pieces all over the world, whether as a traditional Indonesian motif or more of a modern design. It is believed that it was primarily used as a spiritual statement, with each design sort of possessing symbolic meaning. Still today, some specific designs are used to tell a unique story, which represents the heritage and tradition of the community that creates it, depending on its color and pattern. It is used in traditional ceremonies such as weddings and religious events, and is also worn as everyday clothing. And some distinct iconic patterns are still worn, for example, exclusively by the royal families, and is also associated with the ancient warrior class.